want to share with you a fun tropical plant to add into your landscape. Now, it is tropical, so it will not overwinter outside, but otherwise it handles our Oklahoma summers really well. This is called the chenille plant, and it actually loves hot, humid conditions as it is native to the southwestern Pacific Rim. So here you can see why it's called chenille plant, because it kind of has that fuzzy texture to it, but actually the French word chenille for what they call a fuzzy caterpillar. So you can see how I got that name because of these pendulous flowers that hang down, and they'll get to be about 18 inches long. Now this plant is dioecious, so there is a male and a female plant. They are separate. However, the female tends to be a better producer of flowers, and so most often you will find the female plant. And usually it comes in this red form that you will commonly see also. Now the nice thing about this plant, even though it's not winter hardy, you can bring it in as a house plant. You'll just want to cut it back to about 6 inches and then bring it back out the following spring. And it's relatively pest-free, which also is just bonus whether you're growing it in the greenhouse or you actually have it out in the landscape. It's a unique plant that you might want to consider adding into your home garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.